Hello, guys. Today I'm here with my cat Benny. It's pretty late. Trying my best. I'm in my playroom right now with all my dolls, guys. Look, my dolls and my little cats in the house. Benny, want to say hi? Yes, you do. You want to say hi to the? You want to say hi to the Jingle Cat? You want to say hi to the little kitty cats? You want to say hi to the kitty cats? Like you, they're kitty cats. You want to say hi, Benny? Benny. Benny didn't get up. Benny wants to say hi. Hello. Benny, hello. Oh, look at him. He's staring at you. He likes you guys. He loves you. Oh, he's licking himself. Oh, he's so cute. I have another cat too. I'm just doing an update on him, this guy, today. He's doing good. He's doing really good. I only show you one short of this guy with a song in the background. It's just a little short of him. It's just a little short of his face, but here he is in person. Here he is. You can actually say hi to him. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello, hello. Say hello. Look at him licking himself. It's so cute. He is so cute, guys. Sorry. Benny. Benny. Benny, look up, look up, look up. Anyway, I just wanted to do a 2-minute update.